This is just an update on what's happened with my scrape against the wall and how I'm getting it fixed and what I've done to fix things. The first thing I did was to buy off Amazon a box of universal bumper fixings, which was £10, not a lot of money. But you got several different sizes, and it turns out that size and the screw that goes in the middle, or was it that size? Anyway, one of these sizes fitted exactly, and I've pushed them in. There were actually 6 broken ones, and I've replaced those, and my bumper trim and the trim in the wheel arch is all now back the way it was before. I've had the quote back from the body repair shop, and it's £220, which isn't that bad really, but he has to paint the black bits of the trim, fill and rub them down, and separately paint the red bits of the bumper trim. So it's probably why it's cost a bit more than my usual repairs, but it's my own stupidity. So as for the accident, if you look up there, you'll see some crappily constructed diagram of how I did it. It's very crude animation, but never mind. Let this be a lesson to you about backing out on a triangular shaped drive with a little wall in the middle. Anyway, that's where we're at, so that's booked in for the end of next week. So hopefully come next weekend I'll have a car fully back the way it was again. Cheers.